Yeah, so the sandcast lead is a bespoke material which we make here in Leicester. We start with the raw scrap lead, which can be taken from the church and the old buildings. We bring it back to England from anywhere. We can bring it to Leicester if it's in Europe or anywhere in the world. We bring it here. We use one furnace, which we melt down the scrap lead into ingot form. We remove any impurities by drossing the top of the lead off. Once we've done this process, and we make it into an ingot form. These are approximately 300 to 400 kilogram blocks, and we've got the ingots. This is then transferred over to our smelting pot for the casting table, which you'll see this process is done originally as it was hundreds of years ago. This would have been on a sand bed. This is made up of 3 different types of sand, which we use, and it's mixed vigorously prior to putting it on the table. So this gives it a nice even bed for when we're casting, which guarantees us to get a nice even lead thickness when we're manufacturing. The process for casting, you see the hopper at the top, this is filled with lead, molten lead. This pours between 320 to 330 degrees, so it's only just at its melting point. We pour the lead then onto the sand bed, which has been prepared, and then once the lead's poured, the timber strickle, which is actually made from beech, runs over the top, and you'll see the lead pretty much sets instantly. As soon as this lead is touched by the timber strickle, and the lead can instantly be cut from the table. And we use a slitter to cut the sizes. These are cut to whatever size the customer requires, to the nearest millimetre. Anything that's cut off the side it's classed as waste, but it goes back into the pot for recycling. And then, like I say, the finished produce is what you see rolled up, and every single roll is then dispatched, wrapped and sent out to whichever project it's needed for.